Hello everyone, I'm LV Xiaojing, and I'm from Puking National University in South Korea. The title of the paper I submitted at this conference is News and Social Media Automatic Detection System based on Big Data Automatic Identification Technology. This paper includes the following parts. In the first section, I want to talk about why I wrote this paper. The second section, research on news and social media automatic detection system based on big data automatic identification technology. The third section, research experiment of news and social media automatic detection system based on big data automatic recognition technology. The next section is research and experimental analysis of news and social media automatic detection system based on big data automatic identification technology. The last section is conclusions and suggestions. With artificial intelligence, big data and cloud computing at its core, a new wave of technological drivers is upending the traditional model of media operation and growth. The media environment and advertising ecosystem are changing. The platforms for publishing news are becoming more and more diversified, making the authenticity of news uncertain. If people misbelieve false news and spread it, it may cause some undesirable consequences. News is usually long texts containing rich semantic information in the traditional sense. But the internet is full of short texts with less information content and irregular expressions, which contain rich contextual auxiliary information. Effective screening of this type of news information has become the focus of research. Some of the existing studies are based on the assumption of mutual independence between samples. Modeling and learning text and other non-text features at the same time, ignoring the similarity between news. This may improve factors of classification performance. This paper analyzes the requirements based on the current application background, determines the use role and use cases of the system, and then designs the main functions of the system in detail. And finally realizes the use of big data according to the system design. The automatic identification technology is the core of the false news social media automatic detection system. The second section of the paper is Analysis of Functional Requirements of News and Social Media Automatic Detection System based on Big Data Automatic Identification Technology and Detailed Design of Network Fake News Detection Module. System functional requirements analysis mainly includes overall system functional requirements, network news and comment data acquisition module demand analysis, network news data retrieval and analysis module demand analysis, network false news detection module demand analysis, and data visualization module demand analysis. The detailed design of the network false news detection module is mainly divided into news false similarity calculation, news and comment sentiment analysis, training model construction, and false news detection. This system will use the text rank algorithm to calculate the importance of each word by segmenting the text and using the co-occurrence relationship between the local words. And then sort the importance degree in descending order and take the top 5 words as the news keywords extracted from the text. The specific formula of the text rank algorithm is shown in 1. Cosine similarity, also called cosine similarity, usually uses the cosine value of the angle between two vectors as an index to evaluate the similarity in the vector space. The cosine value formula is shown in 2. The third section of the paper is Research Experiments on News and Social Media Automatic Detection System based on Big Data Automatic Identification Technology. First, 2 large social media data sets used in the experiment are introduced, and then news and social media based on big data automatic identification technology automatically detect the system. Then compare it with other baseline detection methods, and finally analyze the performance of the proposed system. This section determines the experimental environment and the parameter settings of the News Text Semantic Feature Extraction module and the News Picture Feature Extraction module. The fourth section of this paper is Experimental Analysis of Research on News and Social Media Automatic Detection System based on Big Data Automatic Identification Technology. The first is in experimental analysis based on plain text data. Use the plain text classification model CNNLSTM to compare with the News and Social Media Automatic Detection System based on Big Data Automatic Recognition Technology. The final indicators of the two detection models are shown in Table 1 and Figure 1. Model performance indicators based on two plain text data. The sets show. It can be seen from Table 1 and Figure 1 that the indicators of the two models on the Weibo text set are 0.1 to 0.2 higher than those on the Twitter dataset. Secondly, the classification effect of the News and Social Media Automatic Detection System based on Big Data Automatic Recognition Technology is better than CNNLSTM on the two datasets. It can be concluded that the number, content and quality of Twitter text collections are lower than that of Weibo text collections, leading to slightly lower indicators of the two models. Secondly, it proves that the system uses multi-core asynchronous long CNN to extract the model parameters of news external information features. The speed of convergence is faster, which is better for the detection effect of the model. At the same time, the system has enhanced the text feature extraction ability after introducing the ByLSTM with the attention weight matrix, which improves the overall index of the model. The second is experimental analysis based on pure picture data. In this paper, the pure picture classification model MVNN is used to compare with the News and Social Media Automatic Detection System based on Big Data Automatic Recognition Technology. The indicators of the final two detection methods are shown in Figure 2. As can be seen from Figure 2, firstly, because the number of pictures in the Weibo dataset is larger than that in the Twitter dataset. The indicators of the two models on the Weibo dataset are slightly higher than those in the Twitter dataset. Secondly, the parameter convergence speed and classification effect of MVNN on the Twitter dataset are better than the News and Social Media Automatic Detection System based on Big Data Automatic Identification Technology. This is because the News and Social Media Automatic Detection System based on BDAIT there is one less CNN network than MVNN. So the model parameter complexity of the image extraction module is much lower than that of MVNN. In order to consider the overall performance of the News and Social Media Automatic Detection System based on Big Data Automatic Recognition Technology, reducing the complexity caused the model accuracy to be lower than that of MVNN. However, the model training and detection rate were improved, which made up for the subtle accuracy. This paper designs a system based on the topic of online fake news identification. The goal is to help relevant personnel or government regulators to identify fake news as early as possible and stop them before they are widely spread, so as to maintain social stability and shorten the time for fake news identification. To reduce the pressure of manual identification, the automatic identification technology is the core of the false news social media automatic detection system. Experiments show that the News and Social Media Automatic Detection System based on Big Data Automatic Recognition Technology uses multi-core asynchronous long CNN to extract the external information. Features of news. The model parameters converge faster, which is better for the detection effect of the model. after the introduction of ByLSTM with attention weight matrix. The system has enhanced the ability of text feature extraction and improved the overall index of the model. That's all. Thank you for listening.